Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust the system volume on LENOVO V15. The first way to do this is by opening the control panel, which you can do by clicking these three icons on your taskbar. Now you can adjust the system volume by moving this slider to either left to decrease the sound volume and to the right to increase it. Here you can change the output source by selecting a different output device if you have, for example, headphones connected. And to mute microphone, you can click this icon. To unmute it, just click it again. You can also use shortcuts for the same purpose. Not even shortcuts, but function keys. If you press F3 button, it will increase your system sound level, and F2 will decrease it. F1 will mute or unmute your system audio. And if the function keys don't behave this way for you, that means that your FN lock is enabled. Check if the light is glowing on the indicator is glowing on your escape button. If it does, then just use the combination of FN button and escape button at the same time, and make sure that the FN lock is disabled. And then you'll be able to use F1, F2 and F3 as sound regulation buttons. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.